Okay guys, in this video we are going to discuss type of cortical neuroplasticity. Earlier we discussed about the neuroplasticity. Please keep remember that neuroplasticity is the adaptation to your brain. For example, if there is some injury, then your brain just cope up with the damage with another way, and this is the term neuroplasticity, and you can know about it. And now we have to discuss the types of cortical neuroplasticity. First, we know that developmental plasticity occur in the first few years of the life. At birth, each neuron in the cerebral cortex has about 2500 synapses. 2 or 3 years old, the number of synapses is approximately 15,000 per neuron. The number is half in adult brain. Neuroplasticity has a clear age-dependent determinant. The environment plays a key role in influencing plasticity. Now, what is homologous area adaptation? If a particular brain module becomes damaged in early life, the function is often shifted to a module in the matching or homologous area of the opposite brain hemisphere. What is compensatory masquerade? In compensatory masquerade, the brain figures out an alternative strategy for carrying out a task when the initial strategy cannot be followed due to impairment. Now, cross-medullary reassignment. In cross or remodel reassignment, introduction of new input into a brain area deprived of its main input. To have touch or somatosensory input redirected the visual cortex in the occipital lobe of a blind. The next one is map expansion. Map expansion is the flexibility of local brain regions that are dedicated to performing one type of function or storing a particular form of information. Here, what happens? Brain become damaged if then the function is shifted to matching area. In compensatory, there may be another strategy to meet out the task or demand of damaged area. In cross model, new inputs of brain develops, and if the new inputs of brain area is deprived of its main input, then there may be a shift. While in map expansion, there is flexibility of local brain regions that are dedicated to performing one type of function or storing a particular form of information. So these were the types of cortical neuroplasticity. I hope now you have a good concept about the types of cortical neuroplasticity and neuroplasticity. For such videos, keep watching this channel and stay tuned for our upcoming educational videos. So this was all about the neuroplasticity that you need to know about the types and definition of neuroplasticity.